When temperatures soar to 60 degrees Celsius, only the toughest air conditioners survive. Gratus AC, trusted across the Middle East for non-stop cooling. Heavy-duty compressors and 360-degree airthrow for faster cooling. Intelligent tech that adapts to your needs. Control your AC from anywhere. AI-powered comfort and energy-saving smart inverter technology. 15 years of trust in the Middle East and Africa, now cooling homes in India. Gratus AC, built for performance, powered by innovation, now in India. For trade and bulk inquiries, contact us now.